Well, we have a rectangular prism with a length of 4 feet, a width of 2 feet, and a height of 2 feet. 4 feet, length, 2 feet, width, 2 feet, height. Height! Mini cubey is a half-foot unit cube. What? Half of a unit? Interesting. Okay. How many mini cubies would it take to go across the length 4 feet of our box? How many mini cubies would fit in here? I think a visual will help. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you, it's Mini Cubey! Mini Cube, yeah! Half inch by half inch by half inch. Okay, here's a hint. Can you figure it out? How many of these would fit across the length, kind of like the bottom here? Here's another hint. Oh, 2 of them fit in 1 foot. We have 4 feet. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Mini Cubey, rah, rah, rah. Well, let's take this to another level, shall we? Notice the problem has changed. Take a look right here. How many mini cubies will fit in the entire prism? So yeah, we got 2, 4, 6, 8 across the front here, but how many is it going to fit in this whole prism? I know I'm drawing out, coloring outside the lines. Shame, shame, shame. There is no shame. Shame is no, well, there can be shame, but I don't recommend it, okay? Guilt, maybe. Shame, not so much. All right, here we go. So, we can do length times width times height will give us the volume, but wait a second. That's not what they're asking for. However, let's just kind of take a small little detour here for a second. We're going to do some sightseeing, okay? Come along now. Come along with me. You'll see what I'm talking about. This is a unit cube, straight up unit cube, right? 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. See, this is a half-foot unit cube. That's why we're calling it mini cubey, half by half by half. So let's just take a moment here and just focus on, well, wait a minute, unit cubey, woohoo! And we'll just focus on unit cubey for a few moments. See, we're changing it from mini to unit just so we know the difference. And, just in case they ask, we don't want to get confused, right? That'd be length times width times height. This is length times width is 8 feet. 8 feet squared, because it's a foot and a foot put together is squared. And then that's area, right? Area. And now we take that area and multiply it by the height. Take this area, multiply by the height, and we get another dimension. So we're in the 3 dimensions, and that's why we put this as 8 times 2 is 16, and squared times a length, 1 dimension, a 2 dimension times a 1 dimension gives you 3 dimensions. Yes. So, okay, that means we have 16 of these creatures here, these regular cubies, regular size cubes, unit cubes, that will fit in here. Let's, just for fun, let's do the picture. There's 1. Let's count them. 2, 3, 4. 4 across the width. Let's pop in another one here. Oh, right down there it goes. There's 2 across that's the width. This is the length, width. And then now let's do the height. Here it comes. Let's pop it right in there. Unit cube, yay! And then so if we multiply for it, there we go. But let's just count. Right? Let's pop another one right behind there. See, here you go. Popcorn, popcorn, pop, pop, pop. How many is that? Wait a second, I wasn't counting. Let's back up. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be 9. Yeah, 8 on the bottom plus this one here is 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I'm making a different color just so you can see. 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can see there's 8 on the bottom. 4 times 2 is 8. And we have 2 of those. So another, 8 on the top. 8 and 8 is 16. Oh, okay. So it did ask for mini cube. So we found regular unit cube. Let's go back to mini. How many mini cubes are going to be in here? What? Next level. Just so you know, there's also just happens to be 8 in the front and 8 in the back as well, if you look at that. So we clear. Okay, you guys, could you slide over to the stage left? Sure. Yeah, we can talk back to you. Mini cubey, unit cubey. Remember this? Okay, our little hints. So what we're going to do is if we take the number of mini cubies along the length times the number of mini cubies along the width times the number of mini cubies on the height, we're going to get the total number of mini cubies in this entire prism, rectangular prism. Ready? Let's try it out. We already know that this is 2, 4, 6, 8. So we'll pop in the 8 right there. Interesting. 2 times 4 is 8. Is that a coincidence? I don't know. All right, next. Oh, look, here's little QB. He's going to slide right there. He, she, it, whatever. Goes there, other people. All right, now we got another little QB. You're going to slide right then there. Oh, you can see where this is going. So for every 2 QBs, we have 1 foot, or for every 1 foot, we have 2 mini cubies. For every, I'm sorry, every 2 mini cubies, we have 1 foot, or for every 1 foot, we have 2 mini cubies. Here's a foot, here's 2 mini cubies. Here's another foot, and of course, dun dun dun, 2 more mini cubies. And maybe that's why we multiply by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So that's what this is going to be. Let's look at the height. Height. There's 2 for this, and then 2 more. Boom, 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 is 4. And now we go 4 times, here we go. What would be, 128. Because 8 times 4 is 32, and 32 times 4 is 128.